Access granted.
Okay, so now we have two users in the mix. We have Bob and we have Alice. So now let's filter by Alice, both the user and the computer account. How do we do that? To do that, we'll go to filter log, XML. Move that to the side just to make sure we have the information that we need. The information I'm looking for is target username, right? So just like before, edit query manually. And here we go. Here goes the fun part. Event ID, event data, data at name. I gotta go slow because target user name is what the attribute. Target username, close that, is equal Alice. This is Alice, the computer account, okay? Or data at name equal target username right? Equal Alice. And then I'll go ahead and close that twice. Check everything for good measure. Everything looks good. Alice, so data, name, target, that looks good. Here we go. So there's 6 events involving this user Alice, her username and her user account, right? Of course, this is tied to the first login. Okay, so I want to how do I save this to you? Filter current log, properties, create custom view, XML. Oh no, I don't want to create custom view now. I love this view that I have. I want to save it, right? File, options. No, that won't do it. Save filter to custom view. Okay, this is what I want to do. Save filter to custom view. So this is Alice. Let's call this user Alice. User Alice. Okay. Alice. Oh, it let me. Okay, cool. User Alice or Alice. Cool. Okay, so now I have that view, right? These were views I was testing. These are views I was testing. Please ignore them. These are the views that we've saved right now. Okay. Target username. This wasn't Alice logging in. This was again. This was Bob doing what Bob does. Subject login ID, same account name, user account change, right? User account change. That's still suspicious. It's the same thing that we've seen all over. The changed attributes, a blank still. If you look, you could see. still the same thing all through. Change the attributes, still remain blank, which is highly suspicious, even for an administrator just running administrative tasks. There would be a change listed here. The logs used in this exercise are from the Yamato Security Group in Japan. They are titled the Hayabusa Event Logs. These are an open source, fast forensics timeline generator and threat hunting tool for Windows event logs. The log I used specifically is, I had to remind myself that it is a sample set and is not the entirety of the log, if you get what I mean. So even in this exercise, while I was performing this exercise, I was hoping to have a whole snapshot of when the user logged in from the time they logged in to the time that they logged off. Unfortunately, I did not get that. I only got a few of the activities that they performed in between, but that is good enough to give us an understanding of what to look out for and how to search through Windows event logs.